Previously, we learned about vibrations and how to transport terms along a path in the base space from one fiber to another. But in this video, we are going to learn how to create our own vibrations from scratch. And we are going to do it using the Univalece Axiom. Let's see how it works. Consider the finite set with two terms. We'll label the terms as false and true. We can then construct a function from this finite set to itself that maps false to true and true to false. We'll call this function not. Note that not is an equivalence and its inverse is not itself. We can now construct our vibration. We'll pick a type family F from the circle type to some type universe, and we'll construct it the same way we construct any other function out of the circle type. We'll define f base as being equal to 2, and we'll define APF loop from 2 to itself as being homotopic to UA naught, where naught is an equivalence from 2 to itself, and UA naught is a path from 2 to itself. Let's draw a picture of this. Now, what would happen if one were to transport a term in 2 along the loop? Well, firstly we can apply the path induction principle to prove that transport f of loop is equal to transport id2 of APF of loop. But we'll leave that as an exercise. Further, we know that APF of loop is equal to UA of naught, and transport of id2 is none other than id to eqv, then id to eqv and UA cancel out to give us naught. Thus, if we transport true along the loop, we get false, and if we transport false along the loop, we get true. Using this method, we can create all kinds of vibrations. And in the case where every fiber is a set, we call it a covering space. We now know how to create covering spaces in Homotopy Type Theory. Thanks for watching.